We must repeal as a country.
Don bura mar UDM ogolo CM hewi onge marapisas mag duol matao yiero mapacho ka IEBC gino magiwacho ni kidek kelo midhiero e pacho kae nyato kaluwore ni moko kuom kuonde chung'od buche pacho kae machalo kaka Banisa podo onge gi jaod bura bang' tho mar jaod bura margi higa mokalo. Nagiwacho magi kinde romo mano bagi Naivasha kama jatend duon bura no Ali Roba no kwa jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo mione ni oyier commissioners mag IEBC. Roba osingo medo chiwo sir ne piny owacho anyate kinde ma ochunya pacho kapod nitiere kamarach kagin kod geno ni okenge ma jatend piny osebedo kakao mar bero chuny ma pacho ka biro nyago lemo.
The lack of commissioners of IEBC in office has greatly caused unmentionable suffering for representation of constituency like Banisa, and I know there are wards across the country that also have no representation as a result of lack of IEBC. We have a court ruling that favors immediate appointment. I would like to urge His Excellency the President to really take heed of that court ruling to make sure that the appointment of IEBC commissioners are put in place, because for 1 year now, Banisa constituency has no national representation in terms of parliamentary position. And the people are suffering because the agenda and leadership is lacking.
We want to confirm that we are fully behind and support the government of His Excellency President William Ruto and the Kenya Kwanza government. We are also in support of his policies that is really trying to make sure that this country is economically brought up from where it has been and the challenges we are going through now.